A global brand in the industry, providing uninterrupted power to man all around the world, with high performance, with reliability built on its quality. Vatan Cable. One of the largest cable manufacturers of Turkey, Vatan Cable was established by two young entrepreneurs in 1975. Continuing to make new investments since its inception, Vatan Cable has become a world-renowned manufacturer. A wide range of power cables with copper and aluminum conductors intended for low, medium, and high voltage lines, and also copper rods are being produced in Vatan Cable facilities. Offering products in accordance with customers' demands and international standards, Vatan Cable is assertive in all types of power cables. With a non-stop production in 365 days of the year, Vatan Cable's plant operates in an area of 100,000 square meters, of which 50,000 square meters is a closed area. Copper, one of the most essential materials of cable production, is brought to Vatan Cable in the form of electrolytic cathodes. Cathodes are transformed into copper rods with a purity of 99.99% by the melting process in casting furnace. Copper rods with a diameter of 8 and 12.5 millimeters are prepared in the plant, which has a production capacity of 24,000 tons per year and is one of the few facilities across the world with highly advanced technology. Copper wires, reduced to a diameter between 0.15 and 4.5 millimeters, are transformed into copper conductors for cable production. Copper and aluminum conductors are processed in low, medium, and high voltage facilities. Vatan Cable produces PVC granules, one of the main elements of cable production, in its integrated plant. Vatan Cable, in all of its facilities, produces cables in accordance with CPR, Construction Products Regulation 2011, in effect in EU countries. Enriching its experience of many years in low and medium voltage cables with new investments and technologies, Vatan Cable has added high voltage cables into its product range as one of the leading cable manufacturers in the world. Vatan Cable goes from strength to strength with a high voltage cable plant it has set up. Vatan Cable offers service to customers in all product groups by adding solar, rubber, special cables with TPU and TPE isolation and jackets, low voltage cables, bare or isolated overhead conductors and cables. With an environmentally conscious production concept in place, Vatan Cable never cuts back on investments to produce its own power. The wind turbine, which was activated at the beginning of 2018, meets a significant part of the energy demand of the plant, with an electricity generation capacity of 2.35 megawatts per year. Halogen-free cables, which prevent emission of toxic gases during a fire and have low emission of smoke, and therefore mandatory to be used in public places such as shopping malls, hospitals, hotels, etc., are also included in the product range of Vatan Cable. Quality control procedures of all products proceed in all stages of the production in Vatan Cable. Products are examined by 3 separate expert teams in input, process, and output control. All products go through all the tests required by the international standards. Identifying customer satisfaction and quality as the most important objective, Vatan Cable designs future technologies in its R&D center and produces innovative solutions. Taking firm steps to become a leader in the industry, Vatan Cable has many quality certifications such as BASIC, NF, VDE, GOST, and CHEMA, which certify the quality of its products. Exporting to more than 100 countries on 5 continents, Europe, America, Africa, and Asia in particular, Vatan Cable always prioritizes competitiveness with its experience. Vatan Cable sustains export-focused growth in cable industry with its expert sales and marketing team. Vatan Cable offers service to its export customers in English, French, Arabic, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, and German. Vatan Cable, exporting half of its total production, is among Turkey's top 500 industrial firms and exporters. Vatan Cable continues to work to provide uninterrupted power to mankind. Others produce cable. Vatan, the best quality.